final page, page 10, and here we have a flip flap with some stitched slot tuck-ins and the same inside as well. And then you've also got a little vertical strip pocket there. Now don't worry if you don't have the slot dies, because I'm going to do a very quick demo on its own showing you how to make your own if you haven't got a stitched slot die. Okay, so the page map, hinge side is here, that's your flip flap, and the flip flap is where you have your hinge of your flap actually somewhere on the page, not butted up to the edge of a page. So that's the view, the front view, and it shows you you've got some stitch slots, some slots there, and then when it's opened up you've got slots there and a vertical pocket. So page layout wise, so let's get this all organised so you can see what I'm doing. So take that off there, make sure I'm the right way up. So okay, so our first one is going to be our decorative strip there, and I would stick that, when you've laid everything out, just have a look to see how it works. I'd stick that one first, so that will go there, that one will go there, but you can stick that one later. That's your flap that goes there. This is your front one with your stitched slots cut out, which are from this die here, like that. And then inside you've got the elephants, and then you've got a vertical little pocket strip there that's going to go there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is actually stick this on here. Okay, so we're going to stick this one on here so you've got a guide of where to put your flap. And Kay's daughter Hazel has just come in. Hello Hazel.
Hello.
So that's that one there, and now I'm going to stick the flip flap, which is going to stick on there like that. So I'm going to put the white paper behind so you can see it. I'm still going to give it another good burnishing to get it nice and flat. Okay, that's there. Take this one off here. Line that one up there. You may find with this you might want a bit of collar for wiggle room. Okay, that's it. Burnish, burnish, burnish. Okay, that's done there. So the next thing we're going to do is stick our magnet in. And we'll pop this one here. And we'll do the same again. Pop that on there. Magnet onto there. Just going to move that down a bit so it's got a bit more tack. That's there. Okay, so that's your flap in the middle of your page. So the next thing we're going to do is do the front. So those are going to be pockets. So you want to make sure you stick above that one. Above there, and then that's there like that, and that's going to pop onto there like that. So these will be your tuck-in slots there and there. So then you're going to stick this page next. It's going to stick on there. this is going to stick there, like that. Again, because it's a tuck in, so you want glue all at the top along there, and along there like that. Okay, so that one will stick on there, like that. Okay, that one's there. And then the last thing you need to do is stick your vertical strip pocket. So we'll stick that one on. And I think I may have cut this from a different strip of elephant because the paper's not matching. And I see it isn't in my other one either, so I'm guessing that it was probably to do with paper usage. So this is a pocket, so you're going to stick it on 3 sides only. Make sure it's not in the hinge. I have no idea what Kay's doing. She's on her hands and knees in front of the camera.
You can see me, could you?
No, I didn't know what you were doing.
That from under the table.
Ah, okay. So I'm just going to trim that because I can see my flat card is a little bit too long. That's it. Okay. So that is page 10. And then we're going to do one more video clip showing you how to put the pages in, and another separate clip showing you how to do a quick slot.